Here at Dapper Lighting, we custom build headlights. You've just received your 2 boxes of FourSix Headlights, so let's talk about what's in the FourSix kit.
What's in the box?
What a beautiful day. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and the squirrels are squirreling. And you've just received a couple of beautiful blue boxes in the mail. And you know from the subtle branding that it's your Dapper Lighting FourSix Headlights. Now these boxes obviously have headlights, but why don't we open them up and see everything that's included in the kit. First things first, there's some useful information on the side of the box. This area right here should have your order number and the specifications of your kit. This is worth paying attention to because one box should be marked as low beams and one should be marked as high beams. The lights will not be marked on the outside physically and look very similar to each other. So it's helpful to take a look at the box before removing the lights and mixing them up, and you got your highs in your lows and you're all over the place. Just take a look at the box. Worst case scenario is you can take the bulb, twist it, remove it, and look in the back of the projector. Inside the low beam projectors only, there will be a little metal cutoff shield. So that's one way to do it if you've somehow mixed them up. Now let's get to the fun part and open this thing. On top, we'll have the order sheet and a Dapper Lighting catalog, thank you note, and if you have halos, a little halo instruction. If you ordered uninstalled protection covers, they'll usually be here as well. Underneath that, we have a brand new pair of FourSixes. These are the low beam units, and if we open up the other box, it'll be the high beam units. This particular kit has black housings and 30-watt LEDs, so it may look a little different than yours, but essentially, they'll be the same. So let's go ahead and take the headlights out of the box. Now that we've taken the headlights out of the box, at the bottom will be all the included accessories and adapters. So let's grab those. All kits will come standard with these adapters. The H4 side will plug into your factory harness. The other side will plug into your new bulb. Regardless of whether you have halogen or LED, this adapter will work for you. The 3-prong adapter will be for the low beams. The high beams will have a 2-prong adapter. Make sure you check polarity when plugging things in, as the LED will not turn on if the polarity is backwards. If you've just plugged in your LEDs and it's not turning on, try reversing the polarity at the bulb connection by flipping the connector. It is possible to plug it in backwards. If you have halos, the drivers will also be in the box. This particular kit does not have halos, but we have the drivers here as an example. Please do not hook up your halos without the drivers. It will immediately damage them and it's irreversible. The connection should be straightforward. There should be T-taps and everything you need to tap the halo wires into your stock wiring. For more info on halo wiring, check out our wiring guide videos on YouTube. We have different videos for each halo type. For the FourSix, however, we only offer the HDR switchback halos. Lastly, be sure to remember that you are covered by our industry-leading 5-year warranty on our lights. This covers any LED failure or manufacturing defects. We stand by our products and we want to make sure that you're able to enjoy your purchase. If you have more questions, reach out to us via email at support@dapperlighting.com or give us a call at 833-DAPPER1. Be sure to check out our other videos.